Git is excellent at remembering what changed, but 6 months later, when someone asks why the code was designed that way, Git usually has no answer. The reasoning is scattered across conversations, forgotten experiments, and the original developer's memory. This creates a costly loop. Developers repeat failed approaches, accidentally violate old constraints, and spend hours reconstructing decisions from commit messages. Git blame gives us an author and a timestamp. What we actually need is semantic blame for intent. This is lore, a private repository intelligence layer powered by supermemory local. Lore remembers architectural decisions, fixes, constraints, discoveries, and rejected alternatives, then lets developers recover that context using natural language. Everything runs through supermemory on this machine. Let's preserve a decision that Git alone cannot explain. I attach the reasoning to its file and classify it as a decision. Lore sends it to supermemory local using a deterministic repository container tag, ensuring context from different code bases never gets mixed. Now imagine a contributor encounters this code months later. They do not need to know the original wording, commit, or document title. They can simply ask, why did we move authentication into the API client? Supermemory performs local semantic retrieval and returns the relevant reasoning alongside its file, decision type, commit metadata, and confidence. This is not keyword search. Lore understands that moving authentication and centralizing bearer headers describe the same engineering decision. Lore also turns isolated memories into the repository's evolving narrative. What was decided, what broke, which constraints appeared, and what was learned. Instead of reading commits as disconnected code changes, a new contributor can understand how the repository became itself. The important architectural difference is privacy. The interface talks directly to supermemory at localhost port 6767. Embeddings, encrypted storage, and semantic search run locally. There is no Lore backend receiving the repository's private context. Lore turns a codebase from a collection of files into an institutional memory. Git remembers what changed. Lore remembers why.